Okay, hi guys, welcome back. Yes, I've been away for a while, but as you know, we're just waiting for the charts to move and to get all our uh, winning taking orders on the go. So let's just see what's happening straight to Bitcoin. So in Bitcoin, this is the chart that we was showing you before here on this channel. So from the high here, the 6th of October, we've been going down ever since, staircasing down, as you can see, down to here, up to here, down to here. I've just put these two blue parallel lines to show you the channel it's in. And now in here, I'm just gonna, let me just take this out. So you can see this is on the daily here, and this is the BTC. It's gone up to here. I haven't really done, well, I haven't changed anything from here actually, but as the markings you can see between this channel, these two green lines here, this channel, to zoom in a bit more, it's hugging this pink trend line going up here. I think it will go up, come back down, and as you can see from this point here around the 20th of April, we could be still going down. Yeah, if it comes out of this channel here, see this green magnet line here, if it's bursts below it, then we're going down to here. Really, I'm looking down to here because you can see, look, we've got three lines tracking here and they're all meeting around, you see, the beginning of June, it's the end of May. That's if it comes down to these lower levels, and I think it is going to come down to these lower levels, and that's at BTC. Look at this lines here. This is my marker here, this red one here. I've done it like that, and it still hasn't come down to that. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave the pattern in, and I'm just going to move it. I'm just going to move it along here. Yeah, like so. And let's just see what happens here this month, because we're in a new month now. We're in April now, so I say we're still going down in April, believe it or not. So there's not much to do if you're holding BTC. You just have to wait till the bottom is in. And I still think, I was doing some more research on this, and my take on it here, if you can see here, it's meeting down here. I'm putting in roughly around the 11th. I'm just going to put a marker in there. And that's why I reckon that's the bottom, and that could consolidate from here onwards, 11th of June. Why do you say that? All right, I'm going to tell you why. Because I was just doing some in-depth research here. And, you know, with the cabal and what they do, it always seems to be some occasion or whatever. And on the 11th, you know what happens on the 11th? On the 11th of June is the World Cup. The World Cup starts, I think, on the 11th of June. So I am going to place my marker here. By that point, I reckon we should have come down, and maybe we consolidate and we go back up. It depends how quickly this is going to drop here from down here. And I still reckon we are going to drop. It could go slowly down here, or drop like a boulder here for May, and in May we consolidate, and then here beginning of June when the World Cup's on, just starting here, we could start going back up. That's in BTC only, and you know ETH will follow. So we'll have a look at ETH. Place that marker if you want, if you're following along this channel. 11th of June, yeah. That's the marker there for BTC. We just have to see if it goes down quickly or if it's going to take its time to get to there. But as you can see from this channel, this blue marker, these lines coming down here, this parallel light blue one, and this one here, this pink, baby pink one here, line coming down here, it's all meeting roughly down here, and I have put my marker in for the 11th of June there. So let's just go to ETH now. Yeah, we'll go to ETH. Right, so on ETH, pretty much the same. down here, we've got the parallel channels here, this orange one and this orange one here. Just make it a bit bigger for you here. And we could be coming down. I don't know if we're going to come down as far as ETH, but we could be coming down here. April, you see. If it comes down to here, it's going to hit this yellow line here. And as I put that there earlier, I'm going to move that along. I'll take the green one out because that didn't happen. This one here, just let me just change it for you so you can see it a bit better. Here, I'll just move this along. And I would say something like this. I'd move it along to here. Hopefully that comes on, and that'll be around June time. But as I said to you guys, this line here is coming from way back ETH. See, hit that bottom here as well. And if I just squeeze it up, we're going back all the way to, hold a minute, sorry, my yeah, just make sure we're doing the right job here. Sorry, let me go back to ETH. Yeah, so it's coming back here to the COVID there, and that was a low, very low bottom here, and it's been going up there ever since, hitting this point here on the Wednesday 9th of April, and we should be coming down here, and that should be its lowest point. If I just open this up for you, that's what we was just looking at here, guys. That is the lowest trend line that I've got marked. So hopefully this will pan out and all our ETH tokens will go up. Moonshot to the stars here, guys. So I'm going to leave you with that one. That's ETH, and that's where I think it's going to. This line here, just make it thicker so everybody can follow along here as we watch the ETH progression on this chart. So, okay, what have I been doing? I haven't been doing much really, because nothing's really been happening. We'll just go through a couple of things. Let me just go to Dex Tools here. This one I'm going to get in any day now, pup. And this is on the BNB. I might get in it today or tomorrow, next week, but we haven't got long now because you can see it's made the ride up here. Let me just squeeze this for you. I'll put it on the daily because we're on the 12-hour. I have got, right, yeah, as you can see, I have got magnet lines down here, but it seems to be consolidating along this point here, you see. Unless it drops further down here, I think from here you can see we're trying to go out now. We're trying to come out, and that's in a lot of these ETH tokens, yeah. So I don't know if you want to wait for how much. Let's see here. Let's put the percentage here. Let's go here. Or from down here anyway, the price range. So you know, so look, it's not come down past there. So if we just go to, it's not going to come down to there. If we can do just to the bottom of that, I don't know, minus 26.30. Let's just get the other view in that one. And I'll blow this up for you. Just to show you what I'm doing here, guys. And you can actually do what you want and invest at your own will. But so here, we're here at the moment. So if it comes down, let's just say to the bottom of this grid here, it's at 25%. But if it goes down just to this orange line, 17%, guys, I don't think you want to miss out. 17, 18%. Yeah, I don't think you want to miss out for just that bit. That's if you want to get into this pup token. Yeah, I will be getting into this one, as I've told you before, with the little bit of change I've got. hopefully I will get into some more Omikami and Ryujin as well. But I just want to be straight with you, and I want to diverse on as many coins as possible. As you can see in my chart here, they're the ones I've starred. These ones, I just got to run through this with you. Sato, I'm in. Kamoji, I'm in, and I haven't made any money at all on these. If I were to be honest, they all went down after I put money in. But now we're at the bottom, as you can see. Let's hope they start going up. Kate, I'm in. Pig, I'm in. SBR, I'm in. Doge, that's BNB, wrapped BNB. Doge, I'm in. Spell token, I'm in. And I haven't put these just down like since I've been away. I've put these down like last year, and they've been going down ever since. So let's hope from the next few weeks they'll start to go up. Yacoin, I'm in. Hana, I'm in. Bazoji, I'm in. BIO token, I'm in. That's the red one. And BI token, the white one, I'm in. Zeus, someone else actually wanted me to take a look at that. I'll take a look at that for you now. There's other stuff I want to get into just before that. Hopefully the market won't go up too soon. Yeah, you see, a lot of these coins are starting to make that little bridge out now. You see, even if I move this along here, and what I was saying, if it comes down here, see this line here. All right, let's just leave that there. This line here. We're on the 12-hour at the moment. Right, if I just put a line down here at this bottom here, where it was the last bottom here, and we'll go along. Is it going to come down here? That's what you got to think, guys. And remember, it's only, what did I say, 70 and 80% here. It could easily, let me just draw it in for you. It could easily start, going like, starting to go up now. It could easily do something like that. Or if we take this trajectory here, yeah, you see what I'm talking about now? It could hit that and start going up. So most of these coins, guys, they are good to get into now. You've only got a few weeks or a few days even. We don't know when it's going to pump, but at the moment it looks like you've just got a month left, maybe April, and then May we could be going up in some of these coins. That's why it's always good to diverse. I know this channel and all you lot especially hot on Omikami and Ryujin, but you have to diverse with a little change because you don't know which ones are going to pump first. And if that goes up, that's 2,651%. Look, I'll just show you the big picture on that. Look. So that if that goes up to the all-time high, we're not even talking about the next Fibonacci. We're just talking about to the same all-time high that it was, right? So that's 2,500%. So I'm looking at this one with you, the guy or a few people who and girls mentioned this one, Zeus, Pepe's dog. It's on, I'll show you, it's on, what's it on? 1.12 million market cap, 208 liquidity, 100% locked, guys. We do like that. 10k holders, quite a few, and we're just still waiting on this one to pump. But as you can see, and as I told you, it looks like some of these coins are getting ready. So keep your eye on this one. When you get a bit of change, if you want to put in, put in. If you don't, you don't. So where you were? So we're coming down here. Doge one, I'm in. Malt is kind of new. People are kind of raving about it. I'm not too sure on this one. I haven't got anything on Sol, but just for you Sol traders out there, let's have a look at this one. 3913. It's called Monkey Cult. 99 on the hit list there. So we're on 3.92 million market cap, 172 liquidity. It's a bit low for 3.9. You've got 7.38k holders. Total market cap 3.92, but it's 100% locked now. I thought it wasn't locked, but anyway, it is good. I was just viewing it, So what have we got here? So at the moment here, yeah, we got a bit of a way, I reckon, at least till the 10th of April, roughly, before if it bursts out of that line here in the red zone, because we're in the red zone, it could be worth putting in a few $100, but that's up to you guys. What am I doing? Oh, there's other coins I want before this one. Let me just go to the daily and have a look at this one. I think I would stretch that one actually. I would stretch it even down here. So yeah, that looks more beneficial, this one, to the end of April, like everything else is going down to the end of April. Why do you want to put in now? Up to you guys, up to you. That is Malt on Sol. Let's have a look. What's people doing? I think there's a lot of bots here on this one. Yeah, I think people who've put in a bit of cash have come out of it. So down to you guys, down to you. That is Monkey Cult. Malt is called on Sol if you're interested. If I get in, I'll tell you. But at the moment, it's no, because I've got too many other coins I'm looking at. Let's see. So where are we now? We're down the bottom here. Yeah, so Claude, here's another one. You know, the Claude AI. So Claude, let's have a look at this one. I'm not in this one. I was just thinking about it. It's on the base, 2.75 million market cap, 454 liquidity, 13k holders. A lot of holders in this one. Let's see what it's doing. Yeah, it's there. It's in there. Let's go down to a bit of a 4-hour one here. I'll have to move this accordingly and going along here. So we've got a bit of a way to go, as you can see on this one. Yeah, there's nothing. Don't think there's nothing happening here yet on this one. It's going to come down at least down to there. So yeah, you have got till. It's going to come down even more, guys. I'll keep you informed. But the 12th of April is the earliest, so you've got another week on that one. That's Claude on base. And that's another one we're just looking at. Let's continue. Let's continue this. Ski Cat I was looking at. Benji I'm looking at. Let's have a look just to see what they're doing, because they're up 16 and 15%. How does the chart look? Is it the same as the rest? That's what we've got to see. Let's see. So this is Ski Mask Dog. We're on 11.55 million market cap, 1.20 liquidity. You see, they're all making this jump up now. They're all making this jump up here, you see. So, you know, if you would have put in here, you know, you've already made a little bit here. It might consolidate it again before it goes up. I don't think they're going to drop. You never know with these coins, but I think you're quite safe, because it looks like it's going up to the next level now. But it's down to you guys, as I said before. This one, you know, look at it. It's all right, 11.55 million market cap, million in liquidity, 100% lot, but 303k holders. It's too much for me. I don't even know why I'm looking at it. 303k holders. Up to you. Do what you want. I was looking at it, but that's going to be one of the very last ones, I think. Going to be looking at that one. But then yet again, if you see here, if it does go up, you know, that's a 12,411, 22%. If you got spare change, put it that way. If my take on this, if you've got some spare change you can put in, look, someone's taking out 1,000, someone's put in 1,000. What else have we got? Is it going to show us? Well, let's have a look here. Someone's put in 2,000. Someone's put in 2,500, 2,500, 2,500, 1.25. Yeah, guys, it's up to you guys. It's the plays that, you know, it's like hit and miss, hit and miss. If you got a little change, as I said to you before, a bit of diversity here, you know, instead of, I mean, of course I want to put everything in the Omikami and Ryujin, but I've got enough bags there. And if I were to put in more in that without really considering spreading some out, you know, because this is what I'm thinking of doing. If I've got, you know, at least say 20 other different little meme coins, you know, there's not a lot of money in there, but it's a bit, yeah. And these one or two of these pop before Omikami and Ryujin, the winnings, you know, that I get on that, I'm going to put back in Omikami and Ryujin. So I don't have to spend any more money that I haven't got anyway. So yeah, that's the way I'm looking at it. Any of these ones here that give me some money back before Omikami and Ryujin actually take off big time, I'm going to put into there. Sora, I do want to get into this one. Here's another one. Let's have a look at this one, because this one is 77k market cap, 55 liquidity, 5k holders, but we are, look, it's just gone ever so down here, and that looks like the bottom to me. That looks like, let me just take this off. Yeah, because it was coming down from here. Let's put this even more here, yeah. You see, that looks like the bottom there. It could come down again if I stretch it even here, okay. Then when it hits that, see, 11th of April, halfway. So you got another week, but I think it's starting to go up from here. You know, it could do something like this. Go up at an angle, start going up at an angle here, yeah. So, yeah, 10th of 11th of April, that's like the other one. So as I said, guys, anything you're interested in, let me know. Anything that you don't see here and you've put money down, let me know, and I'll do a quick check on it and tell you what's what. Let's go. So, yeah, one I did get into just recently, guys, was the El Meow token. I've got it here. Let me show you this one. It's been out a while, but we're on 1.25 million market cap, 367 liquidity, 100% liquidity locked, 5k holders. That's all good, guys. It's no massive market cap. Liquidity is fair enough because it's only on 1 million, 100% locked, and 5k holders. That's the average. So if you look here, right, the same yet again. Down here, if we go from down here, let's just follow this line here. So if that, I'm not saying it is, guys, I'm not saying it is, but if that's the bottom here, because I've got a magnet line down here, I think the worst is over, really. But bound to be honest, I think the worst is over on many of these coins. And look, you can see it can start to go out. Even if I put it, you know, a little later here, and I put this out here, all right, if it starts to come out of here, same as the others, you see, 9th, 10th of April, could come out here, start going back up. If you want to know why I was interested in this one, it's been out for a long while. It's 100% liquidity locked. And here, let me just show you, bring this down, I'll turn that up. So if you can see here, if it goes up 15,532, if it goes up to just like it did before, just this all-time high, and I'll put it on the daily to show you. Yeah, so if we're coming right from up here. So if it comes, look, if it comes up to here, well, let me take that down again, actually, from here. Okay, so that's 14 and a half. Call it 14, yeah. Call it 14, 14,000%. If it goes up to that same level, yeah. But this is going to be a mega big bull run, so I'm going to expect at least to go up to the next Fibonacci sequence line. I'll do it here for you because that's what we do. Let's have a look here, yeah. So from here to here, right? So we'll just squeeze this down even more. So if that just goes up to the next sequence up here, that's like 22. And even if it just goes a bit below it, say 20, we'll be conservative. We'll just say 20, 20 and a half maybe. Doesn't matter. You've put in a little bit of change that you had. You've been diverse in your tokens, yeah? So what do you want to do? Up to you. But I'm in this one. I just want to tell you guys, I'm in this one. I only got into this one the other day, so it's fresh for me. I'm just going to sit and wait and hold like all my other tokens that I've got. Now, guys, now is the time. Now is the D-Day time. I've told you since before Christmas, guys, you haven't got long, and this is the time. This is the year, and we're in April now, guys. I didn't really expect for it to go this long without being some sort of pump. We're going up, but very slowly. But once we take off, guys, once BTC hits the bottom and ETH starts rising, that's going to be it, guys, on these coins. They're all going to start going up together. So you want to be in it now. You know, I'm not going to mess about now for a few percentage that I'm going to miss out. I'm just putting down my money now so I can walk away now and carry on my normal 9-to-5 job and look at this every week in, a week out. But I'm in already. As I said to you, waiting for the next payday so I can put down a bit more and some few other tokens that I'm interested in. The other one I'm very interested in fact, there's a couple more. Pepe Coin here. Pepe Coin has been out for a few years here. Now, what are we on? We're on 9 million market cap here. 9 million market cap. 133 million liquidity. It's nice and healthy. 100% locked. 18k holders. Okay, it is a lot, but the chart looks very healthy indeed. Look, it started from here, 1st of May 23. No, 29th of April 23, done a little pump, it consolidated up again, little pump. This was the third one and it's mooned. Then we've gone all the way down here, as you can see. We're now in 2026 and let's just zoom in here and let's see what we got here. Right, this is really down the bottom now. Look. Really down the bottom here. And I like this one because we've got a million, we've got a million in liquidity locked. So once it starts pumping, guys, you should be able to take your money out, no trouble at all, because it's got the funds there to do it. So here, I was just following along this line here. As I said, if it came down to here, I do have a magnet line down here, but I don't think, you see, like the rest of them, that was the low really in February. I don't think it's going to go to here. I don't think so at all. And if it does, what does this matter? You know, you want to be in, yeah? You want to be in. Do you want to miss this pump here just for this little sake? It can drop down. If you're in here and it goes down there, so what? It's going back up now. So here, see, 15th of April, looks like the ending, or worse for wear, the 1st of May. Another one I'm showing you guys, another one. This is definitely on my radar, and yeah, that's one you got to be looking at. If you could get the money now, get in now. If you haven't, you haven't. I haven't got the money to get in now. I want to, but it looks like if we're following this trajectory around this 18th of April, it's all right. I'll get paid in the middle, so hopefully that will wait for me before it starts making its way up. Yeah, let's see what happens with that one. And this is Pepe Coin, guys. Do your research if you want to get into this one and any of the coins I mentioned, yeah? Right, so let's have a look back on the chart here again. Here we go. Down. And one of the last ones, did I say pup? Did we look at that at the beginning? I think we did, but let me just go back to that. Just a quick view on that pup. I can't remember now because we've been showing so many. I think I did show you this one, but yeah, again, what was it? The daily, and as you can see here, Look, we're starting to go up there. 11th of April, 13th of April. Hopefully it starts going up there. Okay, let's continue. Right. I think the last main one, oh, sorry. So because I haven't been actually telling you, am I in, am I out? So the last one, yeah, the two bios I'm in. ZS, I'm not in. Doge one, I'm in. Molt, no. Claude, no. Ski, no. Benji, no. Zin, no. Dingja, no. El Meow, I'm in. Pepe Coin, I want to. Zora, I want to. Yes, all the post chain ones, I'm going to do a special post chain video again. I haven't bought anything at the moment. We'll see what happens. Blast, I'm in from long time. Pup, I want to be in. I don't think I'm in and out. I always thought I did buy it, but I can't see it anywhere. Ski Cat, I'm in. Inu is the other one here, as you can see. Inu. What are we on now? This is 207k market cap, 185 of liquidity. It's nearly one for one here. 2.7k holders. I like that. It's not many there. Look what's happened up here, guys. Look what's happened. It's they're starting to it's starting to come back round, and I think it could easily see. I don't think it's coming up here. I think we're going to do something like that. If I'm to be honest, come back down, maybe, and then start going up from here. This is the low, guys. I think this February was the low. I don't think it's going to go any lower than that. So even if it does come down, we're going back up. So you're good to go anytime here, guys. Let me just take that out. You're good to go anywhere here on this Inu coin here. Yeah. And that's something I'm definitely looking at. Hopefully I'll get some cash. Well, it's not hopefully. I just have to wait till I get paid this month. So another few weeks yet. Okay, let's just have a look at what's people doing. Is anybody doing anything here? See, you haven't got many people in this one, but that's all good because it's more money for us or more money for the people who want to get in on it. Yeah, we are 100% locked. Yeah, you see? So we're all good on that front. So that's Inu coin, yeah? Another one we're looking at. So, okay, well, I think it's time for Omikami now. Because I just told you what I'm in and what I'm gonna do. As I said, the post tokens and all the post coins. I do a special video for that. I'm in only a couple there, but that was from a year or a couple of years ago. Let's have a look at Omikami first. We'll go to Omikami now. So Omikami, I think it has gone up a bit. We're on 4.62 million. 4.48 liquidity, 11k holders, 11.82. So we're still hanging in there. I haven't moved any of these. I'm going to show you two charts actually because I got it on the trading view already. Look at that, guys. Here, look at here. I'm blowing this up now. Let me just take you down to the 4 hour. I think is it 4 or 3 hour? 4 hour. Right. So this is what's happening so far, and I haven't moved any of my markers, as I said I wouldn't do. So down here, look at that blue squiggly line there. I said it's going to go down to these two magnet lines that come back up, but it hasn't. Like everything else, it hasn't. This line here, if I draw it here, I'm going to draw it here. This is like the bottom here. Put it in a bright. If I put this in a thick here, you see it hasn't gone down like all the other coins. They're starting to work its way back up. There's another like a magnet or two in most of these tokens, and it's not coming down, guys. So look what, and I said, if you can see these two markers there, the two pink parallel markers, I said something's going to happen here. We're going to drop down here, but it's actually done the opposite. It's actually gone up, guys. It's gone up to this next section here. And we're going along now. So is it going to staircase up? Look here, guys. What it could do, it looks like it's doing this. I'm going to draw it in for you. We could go up, come back down, retest, because we have to retest. Then go up, like that. Just go up. Yeah. So you know, it's looking good. It's looking good for Omikami, guys. I told you to wait. It's looking good. Um, you know, sometimes I do wish it would go back down, but I'm just being greedy, if I'm honest, to want it to come back down here for what? I'm in, like all the rest of you, and we've waited for months, years. A lot of us have waited for years and months. Uh, you know, it could easily come back down. But I have this marker here and the 12th of May. What's happening here? Is that my marker for it to definitely go up? We could be consolidating here like this, yeah? We could be consolidating. Once it gets retested like that, it could just be going like this, even like that. Then once it gets here, start to go up here. You know, I've got this marker down here from way before, but like the rest, guys, it's not going down. It doesn't look like it's going down from that the February low here. It looks like everything is going back up. Something drastically could happen. You never know with the old news and the things that's happening in America and Iraq or Iran or whatever. But we don't look at that. We look at the moon, the stars, and everything else. And it's had the last total lunar eclipse, and I don't think it's going to go back down from here. So if you're in, guys, you're in. And if you was a bit afraid to get in, because I know some of you weren't really too sure of what was going on, you can see here, guys, you can see here, Omikami, it looks like we're taking off ever so slowly, guys, though, ever so slowly. So, yeah, you've only missed a little pump there, but, you know, we're waiting for the big pump, so you still got time to get in. And this marker here, as I've just said to you here, 12th of May. So it looks like you just got a month to go, roughly, and that could be it. That could be it, guys. All the waiting, all that hard, patient waiting could be over, and you can start to see great wealth coming in towards those who believed. Yeah, all you guys who believed, me and you and the rest of us. It could look like it's going up slowly but surely, guys. Slowly but surely. So it's all good for Omikami. Let's have a look what Ryujin is doing either. Let's have a look here. Right, Ryujin. So what are we on here? We're on 1.99 million market cap, 269k in liquidity, 100% locked, 11.2k holders. That's gone down. I'm sure that was 12 at one stage. Anyway, here you can see the two markers that I've put down here, and it went up exactly the same as Omikami, and we're really going up, really, ever so slowly. There is a marker, there is a magnet line down here, like with most of them, but it doesn't seem to be going down, guys. It doesn't seem to be going down at all. If I just show you that bottom here, where it hit, just like Omikami and the rest of the tokens I've just showed you, it does not look like it's going to go to drop down to this one. So all I can do here is move this, just stretch this out. I could move this across just to do it a bit differently from Omikami. Just stretch this. But once once it comes out of that, it could start to go, yeah, like this. Once it comes out of here, retest and start to go up like that, yeah. We're looking good now, guys. For most of these coins, we're looking good. So, you know, if you ever was scared to put down your money, now is a good time to put it down, because the lows are in. The lows are in. I'm going to say it now. I'm going to tell you now, guys. The lows are in, because we could do a little dip, but I don't think it can go past down the total lunar eclipse here earlier on in the year, guys. Yeah, that was the low. It might dip a bit just to scare people out. And there's a few of you who are in Ryujin, and you've come out, about 1,000 of you, because that was near 12k, more than 11k, guys. That was nearly 12k at one point, at one stage. But you lot have left the building. But come back if you want to come back. There's still time to come back before the pump. And that's Ryujin. That's all I can say, guys. Whoever believed in Omikami and Ryujin, and you're still here, good luck to you, because you're on a winner now. All we have to do is just, you can sit back and look at the charts now and then. But you know your money is safe, because look, from here, as I said, February, it's actually going up very, very slowly, but it's going up. And that's all we need, guys. That's all we need. So you're sitting pretty here. And yeah, I will keep you informed in what's happening in Omikami and Ryujin. I just didn't do it the last couple of weeks because, yeah, we just wanted to see how things were panning out. But now I can really say that we are going up, guys. I'm confident. Glad you stayed with me. I'm glad you're watching this video again. Tell me what do you think in the charts. That are you in? Are you putting in? Are you going to put in more money? Are you was you scared to put in? Are you going to put in now? As you can see, look, the charts don't lie. They're you know, all the figures are in front of you. So it's not just, you know, Omikami and Ryujin. It's a lot of other ETH tokens as well. You can see they're really starting to go up now, ever so slightly, but they are starting to go up. So with those facts, you know, if you have got some savings and some investments, not financial advice, but if you want to make it, and this is the only time you can make it this year, guys, I'm not telling you when to put down, I'm not telling you where to put down, but I'm just telling you I've put in all my money that I have, really. And I'm going to put down money that I haven't got because I just don't want to work again. I'm sure you're the same, yeah? You don't want to work again either. So, yeah, on that note, tell me what you think in the chat, and any tokens you want me to review for you that I haven't mentioned here. And I'll see you back here real soon with a chart update on Omikami Ryujin and many more. See you back here real soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.